Hi, third actor. This very short video will demonstrate how to share just sound when you're in Zoom. Perhaps you want to play some of that great 60s or 70s music while people enter your Zoom call and arrive. This is how you do that. Before you share your screen, you need to have already opened where you're going to play the music from. So I'm going to go here in Chrome, and I'm in Spotify, and Celebration is a single version that we've played at a number of Zoom calls. I'm going to start that music, and when I do, nobody else can hear that, just me. So I need to share it so that everybody can hear. And this is what I do. I click on Share Screen, and this time I go to Advanced, and I share Computer Audio, and I share. And when I do that now, this means that everyone hears what I'm hearing. And I can go back to Celebration, and I can increase the volume, and I can play it for a little while. Everybody can be entering Zoom, and then when everybody's entered Zoom, I'll stop it here. I'll come back to Zoom. In Zoom, I'll click on Stop Share. And you're ready to continue with the meeting. Hope this helps.